Hello everyone, welcome to my channel FreeAkin Tutorials. So in this video, I'll be going to show you an application which will allow you to connect and control your PC wirelessly using Android smartphone. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, you need to install this application from the Play Store. And also you need to download and install this software into your PC. You need to go to this website to download and install into your PC. I have given a download link into the video description of this software. So after download it and install it into your PC, run this software in the PC. Now to connect your PC with the mobile phone, you need to select connect option. To connect your PC, here three type of methods you can use. You can use any one of these three methods using Wi-Fi or using Bluetooth or using data cable. Here I am using Wi-Fi connection to connect. So you need to turn on Wi-Fi. Now after turning on and connected your mobile phone and PC with the same Wi-Fi network, it will display the name of your PC automatically into this program interface in the mobile phone. You need to select your computer IP address which is displayed into your mobile phone. After successfully connected between my mobile phone and PC, I can use my smartphone like a wireless mouse for my PC. And also there is an option to type directly from my mobile phone. At the top of the interface, you will have a keyboard option to type to any program into the desktop. And apart from this feature, it also includes some useful utility. To access the utility service, click on this icon. Here you will get some utility tools like remote desktop. And using the remote desktop tools, you can directly connect your desktop and run it into your mobile phone. Here I have connected my desktop into my mobile phone and I can directly run it onto my mobile screen. And using projector tools, I can share my mobile screen directly to my PC. Let me show you. Turn it on. And using the data cable option, I can share my mobile phone files and folder into my PC directly. And using these PC tools, I can directly access my partition of my Windows computer. And also can access the task manager of the Windows. And using the microphone tools, I can use my mobile phone like a microphone for my computer. And there is an option for power button also to restart, shut down the computer, and also a music controller tools. And there is an option for remotely control slideshow also. Using PPT option, I can directly control PowerPoint presentation directly from my mobile phone. And also it has an options to take photographs from mobile camera and save it directly to PC. So this application will be very helpful for you for many purposes. So you can try it yourself and comment below if you like this application. So if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for latest updates. And lastly, thanks for watching my video.